Top 10 mountains in the world. Across our planet, there stand monuments not built by human hands, but carved by the forces of nature over millions of years. Today, we journey across continents to discover the 10 highest and most majestic mountains in the world. 1. Mount Everest, Himalayas. First is Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas, straddling the border of Nepal and Tibet. Towering at an astonishing 848 meters, it's not just the highest mountain on Earth, but also a symbol of human perseverance. 2. K2 Karakoram Range. Next is K2, the Savage Mountain, known for its extreme difficulty. Situated on the China-Pakistan border, it reaches 8.611 meters, demanding respect from even the most experienced climbers. 3. Kangchenjunga, Himalayas. Kangchenjunga, meaning 5 treasures of snow, stands at 8.86 meters. Located at the India-Nepal border, it's revered by the local population as a sacred entity. 4. Lhotse, Himalayas. Lhotse, Everest's formidable neighbor, rises to 8.516 meters. Its proximity to Everest means it's often overshadowed, yet its treacherous south face remains a formidable challenge. 5. Makalu, Himalayas. Makalu, with its pyramid shape, stands at 8.485 meters. This isolated mountain, located 19 kilometers southeast of Everest, presents one of the most challenging climbs in the world. 6. Cho Oyu, Himalayas. At 8.188 meters, Cho Oyu, meaning turquoise goddess in Tibetan, is the 6th highest mountain. Located on the China-Nepal border, it's known as one of the more accessible 8,000ers. 7. Dhaulagiri, Himalayas. Dhaulagiri, or White Mountain, stands at 8.167 meters. In Nepal, it's known for its massive peak and was once considered the highest mountain in the world before discoveries in the 19th century. 8. Manaslu, Himalayas. Manaslu, meaning Mountain of the Spirit, is the 8th highest at 8.163 meters. Located in the Nepalese Himalayas, it's known for its avalanche-prone slopes, adding to its climbing challenges. 9. Nanga Parbat, Himalayas. Nanga Parbat, also known as the Killer Mountain, rises to 8.126 meters. Located in Pakistan, it's notorious for its difficult ascent and high fatality rate among climbers. 10. Annapurna, Himalayas. Finally, Annapurna, standing at 8.91 meters. Not just a mountain, it's a massif in Nepal with several peaks. Known for its deadly beauty, it has one of the highest fatality-to-summit rates. These giants among us, standing as silent sentinels, remind us of our planet's dynamic beauty and the enduring spirit of human adventure.